Trying to get this motor out with long tube headers, not the move. I don't know how you're supposed to get them in with the engine in the car. I mean, it just seems like the biggest pain in the ass on the planet, but somebody clearly did it because they're in. But that's the biggest problem, is because of the steering shaft. I don't know, but that's the update. And then here's the big lump of basically a boat anchor at this point. Well, hopefully not, but that's the whole reason the motor came out, is because of that. So oil filter housing cracked. At first I thought it was just you could replace it, but no, it's part of the timing cover. And then there's also damage in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in there. So whatever, it had to come out. Supercharger pulley's damaged as well. That's coming out, or we're going fixed. Should be here tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. But while we're in here, I also bought a new thermostat. That's getting changed. Water pump, probably AC compressor, just maintenance shit. This is done for because it's like curved or pushed in or whatever. So new belt wrap kit. It's gonna need a new belt for the supercharger. I'm just gonna go with the green one. Everybody says it's good, especially when we're running higher power, and since we're going fixed, might as well. But yeah, that's it for now. I mean, these are getting replaced, of course, because they're garbage. Main seal was leaking, but all in all, yeah, just needs more stuff. But we'll come back with another update now that oh, I don't think I mentioned, so this was how I split the cooling system last time, was with this garbage, the BMW thing, but it's broken, as you guys can see down there. So I bought a under hood tank from this guy off what do you call it, or not bought, he sent it to me, but it was somebody just watches the videos, and he offered him. He said he had an E55, he wrecked it, so he was selling it for parts, and he was like, I'll just send you the tank. So I got a whole underhood tank. It's gonna go over there. I think it's VRP, I'm not sure, it doesn't say anything on it, but who knows, we'll see. So yeah, I already have pretty much everything. The only thing we're waiting on is, well, the pulley, and then whatever other miscellaneous crap. So like the water pump that has to get ordered. But yeah, all in all, oh, and then the belt wrap kit. But all in all, I pretty much have all the parts. That's the timing cover. I also bought these to wrap the headers in. So it's just the heat insulating tape. I've heard it's good. I've seen a lot of people run them. It's either this or the gold stuff, but I think the gold stuff kind of looks too gaudy, and it wouldn't really make sense with the car. But yeah, well, that's gonna be honestly for this video. We're gonna have to, I'll check back in when there's other stuff happening to it. But in terms of today, that was it. It was just to pull the motor out, and yep. Yeah, I don't think I ever showed any inside of it, but I got a new belt because that's, yeah, it's gone. I don't know why the hell that airbag deploys, I told you guys, but whatever. We got a whole new dash. It's back there with the airbag and everything. I got a new one of these. I actually got the one I wanted for a while, and then it's the stitched one, so that's coming in, or that's already here. Like I said, I have everything, just a bunch of stuff. But yeah, the car's been here for a while, so the suspension's collapsed. That's getting replaced. But if anybody needs one of these, this is for sale. 2006 CLS 55. It's only got 59,000 miles. Super clean car. There's virtually nothing wrong with it. The only thing that was wrong was the radio had some issues, but we fixed that. So yeah, super clean car, drives great. As I said, low miles, 59,000 miles. It's a Florida car, and it has a rebuilt trans too. So there you go. But yeah, if anybody's interested, let me know down in the comments or send me a message or whatever. The car is for sale. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next update video to the turd.